What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? In which year did World War end? What is capital of France? Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? What is the largest planet on solar system?